Get a feel for the 2017 BMW i3. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The BMW i3, the fully electric hatchback that defies convention by blending sporty, nimble handling with super fuel efficiency and sustainable materials. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, keyless start, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seat, aluminum wheels, leather steering wheel, rear spoiler. Doing the right thing feels good. Drive mindfully in the i3.